What up, gang? Today I'm going to talk about, well, I'm going to show you a conversation I had in the Smart Rapper office with the team where I talked about tax loopholes in the music industry and how when you're growing your music empire and you're buying your equipment and you're getting all this money in from merchandise, from music royalties, from selling your music, from songwriting, whatever you're doing, how you actually can utilize tax loopholes and how companies, when you get to the higher end, which you will get to, because I believe in you, and you got to believe in yourself now, that's the next step. But once you get there, you're gonna need to know this information because you're gonna be able to understand how this actually works, and you can start looking at money differently so you can make more money and you can use your money properly and invest it back into your career so you pay way less on taxes and things just get way easier for you, because if you understand this stuff, you climb the ladder faster, right? Because the more money you have when you climb faster, that's what it's about. All right, so I'm gonna teach you a lot of the things that took me years to understand and to become fantastic with financials and growing an empire. You're gonna get those secrets today that you would not learn probably for the next 5, 6, 7 years, and nobody was really gonna tell you. And if they did, well, they didn't. So I'm gonna tell you, all right? Get ready to learn some ways to make more money, keep more of your money, and expand and grow your music career faster. Just so you know, this is gonna help producers and this will help rappers. So let's go ahead and get into it. Taxes are just killing you, right? Because they're like, oh, they're gonna take 30% of all my money, and then when I go to buy something, they take another 10% of my money.
Yep.
Like, people don't look at it like that. Like 40% of your money is gone. You have $1 million, you only actually have $600,000.
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
It's crazy. It's crazy, but it's ridiculous, dude. That's why people find loopholes and why people like have like people that can like, well, how can I get around this? What can I do? I'm gonna write off all this stuff, like make $1 million, and then you write off $1 million in stuff if it was really tax writable stuff. But that's what happens, especially when you're growing your business. If you grow your business and make $1 million a year, I'm putting that right back in. Like I said, spend $10,000 a day on ads. Every dollar I spend on the ads is tax writable, right? Yeah. So if I were to make back, just say $20,000 the next day, well, guess what? I have no problem spending it again, because in that process of accumulating more money, if I spend every dollar in that year, let's say I make $1 million a year, if I spend all $1 million on marketing, and then I don't have to pay any taxes on it, business-wise, well, I just got $1 million in marketing for the company. And now the next year, what's gonna happen is the company's gonna like be 10 times, it's gonna be 5 million, 10 million. That's why you spend every dollar back on the company, because if you keep the money, you get taxed on it. If you spend the money on your business, your music career, your equipment you buy, this entire office, every one of these paintings, everything in here is the set, the camera, the lighting, everything. It's all tax writable. I have no problem spending my money to advance my business. And artists should have no problem spending their money to advance their music career. Yeah. Right? Because they don't realize they get to write that off. Like, I didn't know, my God, I go back, all the music equipment. But would I know, I could write that off? Yep. I would have just looked at it differently, anything. This computer, that computer, that computer, that, every one of these computers, these $400 monitors, these computers, the server, the tables, it's all tax writable for numerous reasons. The chairs, yeah, especially everything's tax, because it's needed to do business, make the people, the team comfortable, happy, love their work environment. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? What the f? All right, there you have it. You want to save money, you want to get the loopholes, all that stuff. Now, I want to tell you exactly how this stuff really works. Now, first and foremost, you kind of need to start a record label, okay? And you think that sounds complicated, it's not. Because if you start a label, especially when you start making any amount of money, you can start a label for like less than a couple $100, and illegally, and you can do that in like less than 15 minutes, okay? You can establish an LLC, you'll run the LLC as a record label, and any money that comes in, it funnels through the LLC, and then you're able to write off things on taxes, including things that you may have bought last year. Did you buy your microphone last year? Did you buy your preamp? Did you buy any drum machine, drum kit, loops, beats to rap on? Did you buy those? Those are all tax writable. He ain't lying. So below, I'm gonna put a link for you guys. It's gonna help you understand how you can write those things off on taxes, how you can start a record label, okay? Seriously, you do it in 15 minutes, super stupid easy, so you can really understand how that stuff works. If you were serious about being a music artist, the sooner you understand this stuff, the sooner your career is going to progress, okay? So go on the link below, and you're gonna be able to get that information. Seriously, I've helped hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people start their LLC, start their businesses, and start their record labels, okay? So let me help you. If you wanna understand how that works, just click the link below, and you can go check it out, all right? So there you guys have it. Hope this helped you out. Make sure you're able to subscribe, because there's tons of videos releasing non-stop now, all right? Make sure you hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions you want me to answer, and if you have any thoughts or anything like that on this entire topic. I know it could be confusing, especially if you don't understand it yet. So ask below, and I'll try to get back to you and answer, all right? Keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top, especially if you got your label started. If you're seeing this right now, and you haven't heard about the music industry shortcut, what the f are you doing? There's a reason why I've been able to help literally millions of artists. I have artists like Lil Nas X thank me. I spent years building something.
I watch this man every day. His tips work on God. I love you, man. You help a lot of people out here, bro. It's just so amazing that I met you, bro. I love you, bro. Hey, for real, man. It's just to meet you, bro.
And you learn every single week. Nothing like this has ever existed because nobody could have built this. I'm an artist, and I teach other artists what I learn as I go. Click this video and go check out what I'm talking about. You need to check out the Music Industry Shortcut. It's the fastest growing community for the music industry, period. Period. I'm pushing this so hard, you have no idea. I already have the #1 educational platform in the music industry, and now I've built this for the music industry. I'm Rob Level. Click this video and go check out the Music Industry Shortcut. It'll take you to the next level. Pun intended.